Hello friends, now we see the verification of De Morgan's theorem using ICs. Aim of the operators practical is to verify De Morgan's theorem. Apparatus, logic gates, connecting wires and power supplies. De Morgan's first theorem. De Morgan's first theorem states that the complement of a sum is equal to the product of the complement. That is, NOR gate is equal to bubble AND gate. So the De Morgan's theorem states that the complement of sum, that is A plus B complement, is equal to product of the complement, that is A complement dot B complement. Suppose here we say that A plus B complement, it is equal to A complement dot B complement. So in this way we can say that this is De Morgan's first theorem. So this is the circuit diagram for De Morgan's theorem. Here it is wrong. This is the right thing. That is this is your simple NOR gate. That is, inputs are A and B, and at the output you will get A plus B complement. And here the two NOT gates are there as the input, and its output is connected to AND gate, and therefore here you will get A complement dot B complement. So this is our LHS, this is our RHS, and here is the truth table. This LHS and RHS, if both are same for the input conditions A and B, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, then we can say that our De Morgan's first theorem is verified. So we can verify this with the help of our kit. De Morgan's second theorem. De Morgan's second theorem states that the complement of the product is equal to the product of the sum of the complement, that is NAND gate is equal to bubble AND gate. So the complement of AB complement, it is equal to A complement plus B complement. So in this way we can say that the complement of product is equal to the sum of the complements. Or here is the circuit diagram. Here we say that A dot B complement is equal to A complement plus B complement. Here it is our NAND gate. Here two inputs are there, and at the output you will get Y equal to A dot B complement, or A dot B total complement. So the product complement, and here it is the two NOT gates and it is connected to OR gate. So here you will get Y is equal to output is equal to A complement plus B complement. So this is the circuit diagram for the second De Morgan's theorem. This is the characteristic in truth table for the second theorem. So here LHS and RHS, here the inputs are there, A and B two inputs are there, both inputs are 0, the output is both are 0. If any one input is 0, the output is 0. If again any one input is 0, output is 0. And when both inputs are 1, the outputs are 1. So this is the truth table for De Morgan's second theorem, that is A dot B complement is equal to A complement plus B complement. Okay, thank you. Hello friends, now we see the De Morgan's theorem. In De Morgan's theorem there are two theorems are there, first theorem and second theorem. First theorem say that the complement of sum is equal to product of their complement. So this is your first De Morgan's theorem. Again there are two sides are there, this is our LHS and this is RHS. There are two switches are there, downward side 0 is there, it indicate that it is 0 0 level, and upside is 1 1, which indicate that 1 1 level. And when the LED will glow, we say that it is at 1 or 5 volt, and when LED is off, then we say that it is 0 volt. Now with the help of here it is one NOR gate is there. So LHS side there is a NOR gate, and therefore you will get at the output like this A plus B complement. Right side you will get like this, the circuit diagram is like this. There are two NOT gate is there and one AND gate is there, therefore it is the product of the complement. So here we apply the input. When both the inputs are 0, output you will get LHS and RHS, that is 1. Next one 0 1. Now we take this upside. So for 0 1 both the lights are off, means when input is 0 1 the output is 0. Next one 1 0. For this 1 0 is both the outputs are 0, means the output have 0 voltage, and when both inputs are 1 1 then also output is 1 1, means when both the 0 are 0, at that time only the LED will glow. If any one input is 1, the output is 0. So like this De Morgan's theorem, we can say that the sum of the complement is equal to product of their complements. Now we see the next second theorem. Second theorem says that the complement of the product is equal to product sum of their complements. So here one NAND gate is there. This is our LHS left hand side. Here two NOT gate is there, and it is added to the OR gate. Again here both the inputs are 0. In that case the LED will glow, means inputs are 0, the output is 1. Next case we consider that A1, A0, B1. In that case also the LED will glow, means output is 1. Next case A1, B0. In this case also the LED will glow, means the output is 1, and when both the inputs are 1 the output will 0. Means when both inputs are 1, in that case the LED will not glow, the output is 0. So in this way we can explain the De Morgan's second theorem, that is the product of complement is equal to sum of the complement. So in this way we can check the truth table of first law and second law, and we verify that both the truth tables are correct. Thank you.